Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Autowatch Ghost to this lovely brand new Mercedes Sprinter 2021 van with this proximity key. Company was a bit vulnerable, thought they've had a couple of vans stolen, so they didn't want this one to go. They knew this was at high risk because of the proximity key, so we fitted this. So if someone was to obviously break into the house and take this key or clone this key and try and do a relay attack and try and start it, this sort of happen. So if you watch, I'm going to try and start it now. You'll see it won't even start. So foot's on the brake down the bottom, trying to start it, it just won't start. So now every time the customer jumps into the vehicle, he has to pass an authorization, which is like a push sequence. So the way he would do that is main ignition on. We've set just a basic code here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to see the full beam flash twice. There you go, passed authorization. And then we're going to hit the start button, and there it goes, van starts. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to take the van for a service and he doesn't want to disclose the code, he can place it into valet mode. And the way you do that is obviously ignition on, pass the authorization by disarming it, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the full beam, there you go, and then he hits the driver's button up 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The full beam will flash 5 times to say it's in valet mode. So now he can actually start the vehicle as many times as you want. There you go. As long as you don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes solidly, it will stay in valet mode. So just leave it for about 10 seconds and we'll try and start it again. Okay, so start button, there you go, van starts. Okay, also when you get the vehicle back and you want to take it out of valet mode, this is also straightforward. So just simply ignition on, insert your pin code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash. It's now out of valet mode. So if I now left it for about 10 seconds and try and start it, you see it won't start. Let's go and try and start it now. Start button, vehicle won't start. Okay, really clever, really straightforward. Okay, so now if he wanted to do a code change, this is also straightforward. So the way you would do that is main ignition on, go through your disarm sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, receive your double flash, then put your foot right down on the accelerator to the kick down position and repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive your double flash, sorry, correction, it will start to flash. When it starts to flash, let go of the accelerator, and now we're going to set a different code. So basically, if you're going to insert a code, to know that that button works, as you tap it will give you a flash. So we're going to do this button here and see if it works. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get 3 flashes. I'm going to repeat it again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get 2 flashes if it's correct. Basically, when I'm incorrect, the first code that you've inserted is the same as the second. If it was incorrect, it will give me 4 flashes. So now I'm going to turn it off, leave it 10 seconds, and I'm going to try the new code. So ignition on, so your yellow lights are on, tap the new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, there you go, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. It's a Ghost Immobiliser we've fitted. If you'd like to give me a call direct, is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.